Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Snapchat in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, then we scroll down to the bottom, and here as the last option we find log out. If you tap on this, then the app is going to prompt us if we are sure about logging out. We can tap on log out to just finish the process, to log out basically, or we can tap on cancel if you aren't sure about this. So yeah, it's just that simple. You tap on settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on logout, then tap on logout again. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.